Hey guys, one of the ways to judge your email performance is to monitor the email bounce rate. So in this video, we will show you how to reduce your email bounce rate. Let's start with the definition. An email bounce rate refers to the percentage of email addresses in your subscriber list who did not receive your emails only because it was returned by the recipient's email server. Now let's look at how you can reduce the email bounce rate of your email marketing. The first is to utilize permission-based email list. Taking permission before sending an email is the best way to reduce the email bounce rate. Because the recipient will know that you are going to send them an email, they will most likely feel special and give the permission to you. The second option is to keep your subscriber list updated. Another reason for email bounce rate is not segmenting the email list or to forget to update it accordingly. Email segmentation helps you keep your email list updated, cleaned, and in touch with your audiences in real time. The third way to reduce the email bounce rate is to verify the recipient's email address. As an email marketer, your main responsibility is to verify your recipient's email addresses before sending any email. This way, you can also have the opportunity to eradicate email bounce rate. You can find different email verifier on the market. You can easily choose any one of them and continue your email verification process. The fourth way to reduce your email bounce rate is to try to write catchy email content. Your email quality reflects your brand's image. So do make sure that your content is well written. For example, you can work on your email subject line, including a photo, and apply the right email color, so the reader will actually find it interesting enough to read. Number 5 is to avoid sending spam-like or random emails. Another reason that causes an email bounce rate is including spam-like words or files in the email content. Such emails automatically go to the spam folder and reduce the chance to open by the recipients. So keep an eye on your email templates, content, and links that you provide. The last and most important way to reduce your bounce rate is to perform A/B testing on your emails before sending. As a marketer, never stop experimenting with different A/B testing to determine email bounce rate issues, such as checking templates, newsletter forms, subject names, contents, and overall structures. There is actually a lot to be covered on this topic. And for this reason, we have written a blog on this very particular issue. The link for this will be given in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getweemail.io and subscribe to our channel.